5 years went by and the whole country was in sorrow. The emperor fell ill and it was feared he would die. He lay stiff and pale in his magnificent bed with velvet curtains and gold tassels. The moonlight streamed through the open window onto the emperor and his broken clockwork bird. And the emperor thought that he saw Death sitting on his bed, wearing the emperor's crown and wielding his golden sword and banner. Strange and terrible faces appeared around the bed, whispering the emperor's deeds, both good and bad. "Sing, my precious golden bird, sing!" he cried. "Drown out these awful voices!"